Learn English naturally, just by watching.
Let's improve your English together, one real-life video at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Practice. I'm George.
And I'm Amelia. Hi there.
How are you today, Amelia?
I'm good, thanks. A little tired, actually.
Oh, tired? That's perfect, because today we're talking about sleep.
Yes, sleep, bedtime, rest. Very important words.
Sleep is so important. Everyone needs sleep. And today we will learn easy words and phrases about sleep.
That's right. We'll practice together. Listen, repeat, and learn.
Before we start, please like this podcast and subscribe. It really helps us.
Yes, thank you so much. Now, let's begin. Are you ready?
Let's talk about sleep.
Okay, George, let's start with simple words. First word, sleep.
Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep.
Sleep is when you close your eyes and rest at night. Everyone needs sleep.
Yes, I sleep every night. You sleep every night.
Listen to this example. I sleep 8 hours every night.
Good example. Let me say it again slowly. I sleep 8 hours every night.
Now you try. Say it with me. I sleep 8 hours every night.
Great job. How many hours do you sleep?
I usually sleep 7 hours, sometimes 6.
6 hours is not much.
I know. I need more sleep. Okay, next word is tired.
Tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired.
When you need sleep, you feel tired. Tired means you need rest.
Example, I am tired today.
Let's say it together. I am tired today.
Perfect. Another example, she looks tired.
Yes, she looks tired. That means her face shows she needs sleep.
Okay, let's practice. Listen and repeat. I am tired.
I am tired.
She looks tired.
She looks tired.
Wonderful. You're doing great.
Next word is very important. Bed.
Bed. B-E-D. Bed.
A bed is where you sleep. You sleep in your bed.
Example, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Let's say it slowly. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Now you try. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Excellent. Another example, my bed is very comfortable. Comfortable means it feels good. My bed is very comfortable.
Say it with me. My bed is very comfortable.
Nice work. So now we know 3 words: sleep, tired, bed.
Yes, let's review quickly. Sleep, you close your eyes and rest.
Tired, you need sleep.
Bed, where you sleep.
Great. Let's continue.
Now, let's learn some phrases. First phrase, go to bed.
Go to bed. This means you walk to your bedroom and get into bed.
Example, I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Let's practice. I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Good. What time do you go to bed, George?
I usually go to bed at 10:30, sometimes 11.
That's a good time, not too late.
What about you, Amelia?
I go to bed around midnight. That's 12 a.m.
Midnight is late.
I know. I'm a night person.
Okay, next phrase, fall asleep.
Fall asleep. This is when you actually start sleeping.
You go to bed first, then you fall asleep.
Right. Example, I fall asleep quickly.
I fall asleep quickly. That means it doesn't take long.
Let's say it together. I fall asleep quickly.
Perfect. Another example, I can't fall asleep.
I can't fall asleep. This means you try to sleep, but you can't.
Sometimes this happens when you're worried or stressed.
Or when you drink coffee at night.
Yes, that's true. Let's practice. I can't fall asleep.
I can't fall asleep.
Good job. Next phrase, wake up.
Wake up. W-A-K-E-U-P. Wake up.
This means you stop sleeping. You open your eyes.
Example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Let's say it slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now you try. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Excellent. What time do you wake up, Amelia?
I wake up at 6:30 on weekdays.
That's early.
Yes, but I like mornings. I wake up, I drink coffee, and I feel good.
I wake up at 7 on weekdays. On weekends, I wake up at 9.
That's nice. Sleep more on weekends.
Exactly. Okay, let's review these phrases.
Go to bed, you get into bed.
Fall asleep, you start sleeping.
Wake up, you stop sleeping and open your eyes.
You're learning so much. Keep going.
Now let's talk about sleep quality. How do you feel about your sleep?
Good question. First phrase, sleep well.
Sleep well. This means your sleep is good.
Example, I slept well last night.
Let's practice. I slept well last night.
Great! When you sleep well, you feel good in the morning.
Yes, you have energy, you feel happy.
The opposite is sleep badly.
Sleep badly. This means your sleep is not good.
Example, I slept badly last night.
Say it with me. I slept badly last night.
Good. When you sleep badly, you feel tired the next day.
You might feel grumpy. Grumpy means a little angry or unhappy.
Right. I slept badly, so I feel grumpy today.
Let's practice that sentence. I slept badly, so I feel grumpy today.
Excellent work. Next word, nightmare.
Nightmare. N-I-G-H-T-M-A-R-E. Nightmare.
A nightmare is a bad dream, a scary dream.
Example, I had a nightmare last night.
I had a nightmare last night. Let's say it together.
I had a nightmare last night.
Good job. Nightmares are not nice. Sometimes children have nightmares.
Yes, and adults too. I sometimes have nightmares.
What do you do when you have a nightmare?
I wake up and drink some water. Then I try to sleep again.
That's good. The opposite of nightmare is good dream.
Good dream. Or we can say sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. We say this to someone before they sleep.
Example, good night, sweet dreams.
Let's practice. Good night, sweet dreams.
Lovely. This is a nice thing to say to your family or friends.
Yes, very warm and friendly.
Okay, next word, rest.
Rest. R-E-S-T. Rest.
Rest means to relax and stop working. Sleep is one kind of rest.
Example, I need to rest.
I need to rest. Let's say it together.
I need to rest.
Perfect. Another example, take a rest.
Take a rest. This means please rest, please relax.
You can say this to a friend who is working too much.
Right. You look tired. Take a rest.
Let's practice that. You look tired. Take a rest.
Wonderful. You're improving already.
Now let's talk about routines. A routine is what you do every day.
Yes. First, let's talk about evening routines. What do you do before bed?
Good question. I usually brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. This is very important.
Example, I brush my teeth before bed.
Let's say it. I brush my teeth before bed.
Great. What else do you do, George?
I read a book.
Read a book. Reading is relaxing.
Example, I read a book for 20 minutes.
Let's practice. I read a book for 20 minutes.
Good job. Reading helps me fall asleep.
Me too. I also turn off my phone.
Turn off my phone. This is important for good sleep.
Yes, the phone light can wake up your brain.
Example, I turn off my phone at 10 p.m.
Say it with me. I turn off my phone at 10 p.m.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about morning routines.
What do you do when you wake up?
First, I open the curtains.
Open the curtains. Curtains cover the window.
When you open them, light comes in.
Example, I open the curtains and let the sun in.
Beautiful sentence. Let's say it. I open the curtains and let the sun in.
Wonderful. I also stretch.
Stretch. This means you move your arms and legs slowly.
It wakes up your body.
Example, I stretch for 5 minutes.
Let's practice. I stretch for 5 minutes.
Nice. Then I make coffee.
Make coffee or make tea, whatever you like.
Example, I make coffee every morning.
Say it with me. I make coffee every morning.
Perfect. Coffee helps me wake up.
Me too. I love my morning coffee.
Okay, let's review the routines.
Evening routine, brush teeth, read a book, turn off phone.
Morning routine, open curtains, stretch, make coffee.
You're doing so well. Keep practicing.
Now let's review everything. I'll say a word and you repeat.
Good idea. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Sleep,
Sleep,
tired,
tired,
bed,
bed,
go to bed,
go to bed,
fall asleep,
fall asleep,
wake up,
wake up,
sleep well,
sleep well,
sleep badly,
sleep badly,
nightmare,
nightmare,
sweet dreams,
sweet dreams,
rest.
rest.
Excellent. Now let's practice some sentences.
Listen and repeat. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I fall asleep quickly.
I fall asleep quickly.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I slept well last night.
I slept well last night.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I brush my teeth before bed.
Good night, sweet dreams.
Good night, sweet dreams.
You're doing amazing. That's great progress.
We're so proud of you. Keep practicing every day.
Wow, we learned so much today.
Yes, we talked about sleep, bedtime, and rest.
Let's review the key phrases one more time.
Go to bed. You get into bed.
Fall asleep. You start sleeping.
Wake up. You open your eyes in the morning.
Sleep well. Your sleep is good.
Sleep badly. Your sleep is not good.
Sweet dreams. A nice thing to say before someone sleeps.
Perfect. Now, we have a fun question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Our community question is,
What time do you wake up in the morning?
tell us in the comments, do you wake up early or late?
And here's another question. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Do you make coffee? Do you check your phone? Do you stretch?
We really want to know. Please share with us.
And remember, practice makes perfect.
Listen to this podcast again. Practice the phrases every day.
You're improving already. We believe in you.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Practice.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams.
Bye-bye.